Yo, what's up with it, guys? It's your boy Levine, and today this video is actually a helpful video for guys who's interested in looking into starting their own businesses, t-shirt businesses, a clothing company. I just want to show you guys a few things you need in order to start. It's not a lot, cheap, easy to do. First thing I'm showing you guys the Cricut maker right here. I got the Cricut Explorer 2. You know, it's a pretty handy machine. It's like 4 versions of it, but I got the second version. You open it up to your blades under here. Got you a nice compartment to store things at. I don't really put stuff in there, but y'all see what's in there. You got this part right here. You can put a marker right there, and a marker to do onto a canvas or a piece of paper or whatever that you have on your mat at the time. So this is the first thing you guys should look into, a cutting device. If you want to do like Cricut projects and stuff like that, a cutting device is really handy. It's a cut smart tool. Okay, so the next thing we got here is your Cricut Easy Press. This is a great beginner tool until you get to the big things popping, with your big t-shirt presser, and you get more space. But if you're short on space, this is perfect. Easy to clean, portable. You can take it with you anywhere. Goes up to 400 degrees. Comes with an iron plate, a hot iron plate, so you won't burn your house down. Some people prefer the big t-shirt presses where you gotta use your Arnold Schwarzenegger muscles, but I use this for now. Not really hard to use. You got your power button, you got your temperature button, and you got your time clock. It goes up to 30 seconds. And this heats up to 400 degrees. That's kind of, that's a nice amount of heat, you ask me. You'll hit that and press start. Time will start. So it's easy to use, not hard at all. And this right here is the Cricut Easy Press Mini. Say hello to my little friend. Nah, for real, it's just as powerful as the Cricut Easy Press. I'm telling you, it don't even take long to get your vinyl on here. It's only 3 settings. I guess it's low, medium, high, because it don't say it. So once you light all these lights up and then it turn green, that means it's ready. And it comes with its own little plate, but it's better. It's like for smaller projects though, for like hats or something like that. You doing a small logo or something on the shirt. You're gonna have to bear with me on this video, man, because I broke my computer. I really didn't break it. Don't know how it broke, but it just broke. So I'm still, it's in there, man. That's why I need y'all help. You know what I'm saying? It's just something I was making, but let me go to Cricut. So look, when you go to Cricut, and when you first set up a Cricut account, if you buy any of these things I just showed you, it's gonna come with a Cricut account. You know what I'm saying? Cricut access. It's gonna tell you to download. Let me go to something new, because it's something I was just working on. So look, you get the blank design space. Computer screen kind of dirty. It comes with the Cricut, so you don't have to worry about downloading no other program other than what you need if you first buy the Cricut. So if you got your Cricut supplies and you first want to start off with a Cricut, you can just get your own design space. So it's all in one. You make your design, your text. Pretty simple once you get the gist of it. It's like you got your projects. You know, it saves everything for you. It gives images for you, or you can just upload your own images. So I'm just trying to upload something, show y'all this. Somebody did out of it. Like if I want to make this junk, with my daddy's shirt, he had this on the picture. So I just tweak like this. like this is black, it'll put it on the black mat, and the heart was red, so it'll separate. It'll actually color code your mats. It'll tell you to do it. It'll say prepare 2 mats, and I'm gonna show you guys what mats you actually need. This is just how it look when you go to the make screen. So let me show you. This is a mat. The Cricut cutting mat is dirty. I got like 5 of these. They come in different sizes, so you can pick one that fits your machine. They usually like 12 by 12, but it's longer one. It usually has a grip. This comes on top for protection, but kind of wore out. But it usually, like when you put the vinyl on her, it grips to her. And I'm gonna show you guys the vinyl that you guys can use, or the vinyl I use in a minute that I use to create projects like this. See, this is regular vinyl, but this is like a puff type vinyl. Really didn't come out great, but I'm gonna show you guys where I actually got the actual puff vinyl and where I got it from. I'm gonna drop the links in the description. Show you how I did this. But yeah, there's 2 different types of vinyls. You be having different types, and I'm gonna show y'all guys. This vinyl section. Damn, why the vinyl? Did they move the shit around? Ooh, it's empty. All these colors make all y'all some bread. All these colors they got flocked. They got holographics. They got glitter. They got everything. Y'all gotta have to come check it out. I'm just looking for some white. I'm gonna say, most of the time, if you guys are using like HTV vinyl, heat transfer vinyl, that's what that means. If you hear somebody say it's heat transfer, it's different types. Like this is here, this is like glitter vinyl right here, and you'll have to change the setting to another setting, like to a cardstock or light cardstock, or you can go to custom air and go to glitter setting. This is another type of vinyl. You really can't tell the difference, but this is the puff vinyl. It actually rises up when you apply heat to it. Like I showed you guys on the jersey, on that hoodie I did. This actually flopped like a smooth texture. So it's a lot of types of vinyl. You got sports flex vinyl that you can only use on like polyester materials. This is sport flex vinyl that I used on this to create this, and another type of vinyl. This glitter. I told y'all about this. Make sure y'all get that on there right. When you guys are ironing things on for yourself, just make sure you have the right vinyl for the right material or clothing, because that really makes a difference. You don't want to be putting sports flex vinyl on cotton shirts, because it'll work, but it'll probably come out. Like this is regular heat transfer vinyl. Just iron on, just regular flex, no sports flex. Right? Just a few of the tools that you guys probably would run into. This is a weeding tool. I still don't know the accurate name, but I call it a weeding tool. Like when you peeling out your vinyl, I'm gonna put a clip in it. You peel out your vinyl. And you weed it out after you cut it. This is tweezing. You tweeze it out too. But all this come in a package. I'm gonna put that in the video. It comes in a package at Hobby Lobby. I'm gonna show y'all how it goes. Hey, yeah, somebody was asking me what you need. Here goes the little weeding tools right here. $16. You get a little 5-pack. Somebody done hit their ass too. But here goes the set I had bought with everything you need to get started with the Cricut. All of these. Damn, it say $24.99, but then it say 15, so I guess it's 15. If you really want to get advanced, this job right here, it comes with a ruler and everything, a cutter. So it's like once you got all of your materials needed, you got your Cricut. They probably gonna sell for $200 right now. I seen one on sale. Give me $79. That's a good deal. Mine's was like $300 almost. So Damn, what is this? I don't know what this is. A cutting box screen. Oh yeah. Cricut Easy Press. Got this joint at the house. I got this joint too. Yeah. So 176 about 200. This is about $100. This optional. You don't have to get this. This is just something I have. This is like $50, but this is $100. And I seen one of these. The lowest I ever seen was $150. You got you a computer. You doing pretty good, and you can start making stuff like, I'm not promoting this, but stuff like this. Stuff like, I made all these stickers and all this stuff on my computer like this. It's kind of broke, y'all. Yeah, all this, your Cricut can get you all this. If y'all want to see me do a video on how I made this stuff like this, on this, just let me know. But I'm just showing y'all the basics right now. This is actually vinyl, like removable vinyl and stuff like this. This is not. This is different. This is different from this. This is not this. Got nothing to do with this. This is a whole different matter. We can go into that another day if y'all want to. But yeah, I'm just showing you guys. This is how I do if you wanted to get your clothing bit. I won't just really say t-shirts because I make more than t-shirts, but if you wanted to say t-shirt business, how you get the t-shirt business started. So now that we done went over everything, easy. Get your Cricut, Easy Press. You start off small, you build your wall, then you move on to bigger and better. You get your cutter, boom. You get your materials needed, and you will be making stuff like this in no time. So let's go.